Hi folks, this is Will at LL Workshop, and this is just a quick video to show you that I practice what I preach. This is the air filter on a 300 TDI, it's the air filter mounting rubbers, EIR 2337. It's also used on a TD5, I think, for some EGR mounting bits of the system. And I bought this week, and I went for the pattern part. This is the pattern part. It's about 70p or something like that. And I'm going to return them. I bought a bunch of these and I'm going to return them because I'm actually not happy with the quality. So the story goes that in the summer I bought the OEM version. Here it is listed on the website. I bought this one in the summer. And this is a photo of it. This is a photo I uploaded to the website. And you can see it kind of looks quite good quality. You know, it's nicely clean along the edges. It's quite a bit meter rubber in there, and the rubber goes kind of right up to the edge on here. As you can see in this one, the rubber's kind of really tatty. It comes off in your fingers, just lots of black flecks. That was the first thing I noticed when I opened the bag. And the rubber doesn't quite go all the way to the edge of the metal there, like it does in the OEM version. And I think as well, it's a bit shorter. So what happened was I fitted the OEM one that was broken on the vehicle, and then as I was taking off, a couple of the others sort of disintegrated in my hands, and I was like, oh great, I should have bought 4, shouldn't I? So I've bought another 3 to go on the vehicle, and I think these are shorter, so you're going to have 3 short ones and 1 fatter OEM one, and it's just going to be on the wonk. So it's not really acceptable. It's just going to fail. It's going to put pressure on the wrong. It's going to be at an angle. It's not going to work. So what I should have done was bought the OEM ones to begin with. But, you know, even when you buy parts regularly like I do, it's so easy to get sucked into that cheap part. These are like 70p, versus £1.70. So I'm going to return them because I look at this and thinking, well, it's not an urgent job, and I'd rather pay for quality because these just do not look like quality. So I'm going to get rid of them and get the ones I should have bought in the first place. This is something I'll try and push with the part, and I mentioned it in a couple of videos that, this is the sort of stuff. So actually, I'll tell you the real reason. So the real reason I'm returning these is that these are all makes, and the one I showed you on the screen was all makes as well. OEM versus pattern. This one's the pattern one. So all makes have got a quality index rating, which is basically returns versus non-returns, and they've both got 100% quality index rating. And I don't believe this should have a 100% quality index rating because I reckon these will fail pretty quickly based on the quality. So I'm going to try and influence their quality index rating by returning these, because I don't know how many people are going to actually return these. Probably not many people will return these. That's the only way we can tell the retailers and the suppliers what we think about these parts. So that's what I'm going to do. And really, that's kind of the message I'm trying to push with this channel and my website, is that, we need to, I know it's a hassle to return stuff, but we need to try and return the stuff we're not happy with rather than just putting up with it. I mean, it'd be quicker for me to go and buy the other parts, get them sent out and just chuck these in the bin. I'd lost, what, £2? I'd lose £2 on this. It's going to cost me £2 to send it back, £2.50. But yeah, as I say, I'm just going to try and practice what I preach, because I believe in it, actually. I believe that we'll only keep on getting this stuff. This will be the default option if we keep buying it and putting it up with it. And to be honest, I don't want to change these again in 2 years' time. There's enough things that break on the vehicles to keep me busy. I don't want to have to keep replacing stuff that I've replaced in the recent past. So that was just a short video to show you what I'm up to, what my parts life consists of. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.